When I say caprese salad, what comes to mind? Probably you're thinking of sliced tomato with fresh mozzarella cheese sandwiched with some basil leaf and then drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette. Now this method is very classic, very traditional of Italian salad, and it looks very beautiful. It tastes very nice. But on Amazing Kitchen today, I'll be showing you a new way of making this dish, a much more, I believe, a 5-star dining finesse way of making this dish, and the enjoyment of this is also beautiful. So impress your date on the next Valentine or Christmas or gathering with this dish. I think you will like it very much. It maintains the burst of flavor from all the ingredients, but yet a new way of enjoying it, a new way of preparing it. I think it's something I enjoy very much. I think you also will. Alright, so let's get to it and see how it's made. Well, what do you think of the recipe? Did you like it? Is this something different? Have you seen this before? Well, for me, I haven't, and I enjoyed this very much. This is a very nice way to enjoy the caprese salad. So let's enjoy this together. I'll be tasting this with you. I got some mozzarella cheese dipped in this nice sauce. So let's see how this tastes. Wow. You know, the fresh mozzarella has this chew to it. It's nice and soft and smooth texture. This dish is all about the nice ingredients, the fresh ingredients. Let's get some more with the basil in it this time. Again. Very nice. If you don't know the origin of this dish, it's Italian. Very simple ingredients. I mean, it has that bright orange red with the green and the white. It's similar to their flag, you know. Everything in Italy is all green and red, you know, tomato based, basil based. So this one is the same. And we have some cherry tomato right here. Let's give this a try also. Very sweet, very juicy. Have this dish with your date. I'm sure they will be impressed with your preparation of this meal. You get the tanginess from the balsamic vinegar and the sweetness from the tomato and the ingredients. Wow. I wish I have some toast right now so I can dip it in this sauce and have it with this cheese. I mean, you're at home, go ahead, make some toast right now and enjoy it with the garlic. Spread on the toast and dip into this sauce. It is tasty. All right, enough of this. I mean, can't have enough of this. Anyways, I hope you like what you see today. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button next to the subscription button so that you'll be notified on the next time when we upload a video. And remember to check out our other playlists with other recipes. If you like Italian or French or Chinese tradition, go ahead and click on those playlists and see what you haven't seen before. All right, well, I guess that's it. I'm gonna finish this. It's so nice. I'm gonna savor this slowly, bite by bite. All right, well, until next time, I'll see you again. Bye now.